Hey everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and today I'm feeling pretty bold. And the reason behind that is because I'm using bold bites in my recipe I am making in this kitchen today. These right here are chicken snack packs by Foster Farms, and they come in an assortment of different flavors. Cajun style, Caribbean jerk style, Parmesan garlic style, chili verde style, and last but not least, Korean barbecue style. What style is your preference? Now, if you want to know the nutritional facts, which I'm sure a lot of you do, one of these little packages here has 90 calories, and if you can see it, 15 grams of protein. So this is like a perfect on-the-go snack. However, for me today, I want to incorporate it into a recipe because I just feel like this is going to be so good. And specifically, I'm going to be using the Cajun style because the recipe I'm making today is a tomato-less shakshuka recipe. The reason why I'm going tomato-less is because, well, I didn't have any tomatoes in my pantry, and I didn't want to go and buy some canned tomatoes because I have so many different foods already in my pantry and my freezer that I really wanted to use all of those things before going back to the store to stock up on more. How many of you out there are with me? You've got so many canned products that you just don't know what to do with, and then all of a sudden when you have a recipe idea in mind that incorporates them, you get really, really excited. Yeah, that's me. So I'm actually going to be using ingredients that I've already had in my house because, well, as I said, I want to get rid of them. Now, I've never made this recipe before, so we'll see how it goes. It might not even turn out to be a, quote, shakshuka, if you will. It could turn out to be an egg frittata, honestly. But who cares about the name of the recipe? Because all I really care about are the flavors, and I know for a fact they're gonna be bold. Yes, guys, bold. I had to throw that in there again because these bold bites are truly bold, as in they've got lots and lots of flavor. So I guess you could consider me pretty bold for not using any tomatoes in my shakshuka recipe because typically that is the main ingredient. So you're gonna have to stay tuned and see exactly how I make this recipe right now. As I said, I've never made this recipe before, but hot damn, it smells amazing. Let's check it out. Hello, beautiful. You can't really see it, but you'll see it in a minute when I show you guys. Don't worry. Dare I say the smells in here are rather bold? Yeah, I'm a loser, and I just said that. But it's true, because it smells absolutely phenomenal in here, and this looks really, really good too. That being said, it smells amazing, it looks amazing, but does it taste amazing? Or should I say, does it taste bold? Should I dig into the pan, or should I dig into the plate? Pan, duh. Let's do this. And I gotta grab me a bold bite chicken piece too. And this looks like a good, decent bite, right? Oh my gosh. That flavor just smacked me in the face in the best way possible. Whoa! Now, I was gonna suggest to all of you that you put some chili flakes in here if you wanted to spice it up a little bit, but these Cajun bites, they give you that spicy burst of flavor, so you don't have to add any chili flakes. I'm also the type of person that doesn't really like spicy food, so this right here is the perfect amount of spice for me, but if you like spicy, then by all means, add some in here. I'm just gonna add that to my mouth. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, these bold bites are amazing in this. Oh. And guess what? Didn't need any tomatoes. Although, if you had tomato paste or something like that on hand, you could totally mix it into the situation and see what happens. Maybe I'll do that next time because I am totally making this recipe again. Holy crap. Well, that's it for me because I need to finish this entire pan, and I kid you not, I will literally eat this entire pan. Now, let me know in the comments below if you actually want me to film myself eating an entire pan of a recipe I make, because I can totally post a mukbang video. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had a shakshuka, if you will. Now, also in the comments below, let me know if I'm actually saying that correctly, because who frickin' knows? And one last thing I want to know in the comments is if you've ever tried Bold Bites before and what you think about them, because I personally think they're an amazing on-the-go snack, but they're also great to incorporate in recipes like this, or on salads, or put in sandwiches. The options are endless. All right, gotta go, because I gotta eat.